Veuer.
Singer Elton John is being sued for sexual harassment and battery by his former bodyguard. Jeffrey Wenninger says 3 alleged incidents took place in 2014 while Wenninger was working for John. Court documents filed by the former security guard allege the 69-year-old star grabbed his genitals and verbally harassed him. The singer allegedly also twisted his nipples and said, "You gorgeous thing, you." In one incident, the bodyguard claims while in the car with the singer, John put his hand down Wenninger's pants. Mr. Wenninger worked for Sir Elton John from 2002 to 2014. Elton John is married with 2 young children. He has not made any public statements regarding the lawsuit. For Veuer, I'm Carly Figueroa.